नो माय डियर स्टूडेंट, सो इन टुडेज सेशन हम पढ़ेंगे ऑब्स्टेटिकल मैनर, जिसमें कि जब भी एक ब्रीच प्रेजेंटेशन की डिलीवरी है या नॉर्मल वेजाइनल डिलीवरी है, so how you will gonna deal with those cases. So now let's start the session. Number one, the image which you can see on the screen is just see. This is a normal cephalic presentation. यहाँ पे obstetrician is keeping the hand on the head of the baby as to maintain the flexion of the head, and the other hand is in the perineum, so as to support the perineum. Okay, we don't want any kind of perineal tear. Perineal tear ना हो उसके वजह से ये सपोर्ट दिया है. दिस काइंड ऑफ मैनर इज नोन एज रिटन मैनर, जो हर नॉर्मल वेजाइनल डिलीवरी में cephalic जब presentation होता है, we used to use this. So next manner which you can see, the baby is in the breech presentation. Breech delivery is going on. Now the hands are extended. The hands are extended. So just imagine this is the anterior and this is the posterior. Okay, so we will gonna turn the baby to one side, follow to 180 degree. 180 degree पूरा turn कर रहे हैं हम baby को, ताकि उसकी हाथ जो फंसे हुए हैं वो delivered हो जाए. So in this case, the posterior, when we are turning the baby one side, the posterior shoulder is delivered first, followed by anterior shoulder. Okay, so this kind of manner, dear, is known as a Losset manner. Okay, Losset manner. So Losset manner is used for the extended arm. Extended arms के लिए use किया जाता है. So next manner. Now again you can see this manner day breech presentation का है, but this is kind of delivery from chin to pubis. The chin of the baby is coming behind the pubis chin. तो इसे बोलते हैं हम prag manner. Okay, this is one is a prag manner. सो नेक्स्ट जो हम पढ़ेंगे, तो उससे पहले हमें ब्रीच प्रेजेंटेशन के बहुत सारे टाइप्स पता होना चाहिए. सो लेट्स सी व्हाट आर द वेरियस टाइप्स ऑफ ब्रीच प्रेजेंटेशन आर देयर. नंबर वन, द थिंग व्हिच यू कैन सी ऑन द स्क्रीन, देयर इज नथिंग बट एज योर फैन. ये फैन है. ओके, दिस इज फैन. दिस इज कंप्लीट. क्यों? क्योंकि बेबी पूरा अच्छी तरह अच्छे से पूरा फ्लेक्शन मेंटेन किया है. दैट इज कंप्लीट ब्रीच. Now this one is the footling bridge. The foot is towards you can see down, and this is the knee presentation. तो इसको हम ध्यान में रखते हुए हम आगे की ओर extend करते हैं. Let's go. For example, in the first image you can see this is footling presentation. Footling presentation को कैसे deliver करेंगे? So the obstetrician will go and will gonna do a click at the popliteal force of the baby, so that the legs will be kind of extended. So हमें आराम से बेबी की फुट मिल जाएगी, एंड द फुट कैन बी डिलीवर. सो दिस इज नोन एज द Pinard manner. This is known as a Pinard manner, which is used to deliver a baby who is in frank position. Okay, so this is known as a Pinard manner. ये क्वेश्चन आ सकता है आपके एग्जाम में, और इस बार के नॉसेट में बहुत एग्जाम्स में इसे आया भी है कि इमेज विल बी गिवन एंड यू हैव टू आइडेंटिफाई द मैनर विच इज बीइंग यूज्ड. नेक्स्ट. So this is very important. Okay, when this is very important when we are studying the breech presentation. Now you can see यहाँ पे three hands का यूज किया हो गया है. So the obstetrician का जो right hand side है supporting the baby body, and the you know the, this doctor's index finger is like on the malar bone, to like this is on the malar bone, that so as to maintain the flexion maintain करना. And the right hand side, the next hand you can see कि उनका index finger and the middle finger is pointing towards the occipital posterior area of the baby, so as to maintain the flexion. Okay, बाकी जो fingers है दो, वो baby की shoulders पे है. And the another obstetrician giving like a fundal kind of pressure and all. So this is known as the MSV method. इसे क्या बोलते हैं? MSV method. और you can say MS के दिए नाम है इसका malar flexion, malar flexion and shoulder traction. We are also used to see it as a modified Muchirian semily written. या तो उसका नाम हम ऐसे भी we can Write it down. Mainly. So now you've got an idea कि like for example कि where we are using all these things. तो ये डियर आपके ब्रीज प्रेजेंटेशन में यूज यूज होता है एंड ये इमेज आपको दिया रहेगा तो ऑलवेज रिमेम्बर एट द malar booms and all the pressure is given. तो ये नाम जो इन्वेंटर है जो साइंटिस्ट है उनके बेसिस पे ये टेक्निक्स यूज की गई हैं ठीक है दिस टेक्निक एग्जैक्टली malar फ्रैक्शन एंड शोल्डर ट्रैक्शन. नेक्स्ट मूव टू द फर्दर. द नेक्स्ट इमेज यू कैन सी ये क्या है इसमें हम बेबी की जो बॉडी है वी आर लाइक फ्री हैंगिंग हो जाता है बेबी एंड देन with the obstetrician we're gonna hold the feet okay like one of the with one hand and between the feet one finger is there and holding the baby and turning in 360-degree में पूरा like this. Wow, this is known as a Burn Marshall method and it has been asked also in some exams. So आपको कोई गलती नहीं करनी है इसमें. ओके तो इसको हम बोलते हैं तो इमेज दिया रहेगा आपको एग्जाम में लिखना है. It's known as a Burn Marshall. This is known as a Burn Marshall method. Okay, Burn Marshall method. Next, this is same. ओके ये फोकस करने के लिए जो मैंने इससे पहले आपको बताया था कि MSV मेथड इसकी क्लोज इमेज ही. So now you can see the middle finger on the occipital layer to maintain the baby head flexion. Let's move to the further image. Now, whenever the patient baby is having a shoulder dystocia, there also we are using so much of manner which can come in exam. So dear, in this image you can see the legs are flexed and then it is abducted. Okay, so by doing this, we are making the pelvic area, this curve, now it is like straightened up. Okay, so the baby can be delivered easily. So this kind of manner is known as a macroverts. इसको हम बोलते हैं macroverts. So अब मैं आपको बताऊंगी different. जब भी shoulder dystocia होता है and we wanna deliver the baby, so we are using various manner. So this one is Mac Roberts. Next. Now, again, this is also a manner which is used if a baby is having a shoulder dystocia. So, you can see the circle which is turning like this. Okay. तो डियर हम इसे बोलते हैं वुड स्क्रू मेथड. वुड स्क्रू हम क्या कर रहे हैं कि बेबी का एंगेज जो शोल्डर है वी आर टर्निंग लाइक दिस सर्कुलर जैसे स्क्रू ड्राइवर वी आर टर्निंग लाइक दैट. Okay, so this is known as a wood screw method. And another method which I want to tell you is known as a Rubin's manner. The Rubin's manner. यहाँ पे हमने सिंगल बस anterior shoulder को turn up किया हुआ है. Okay, like this. So the shoulder, the Rubin's manner and wood screw में ये होता है कि in the wood screw we are main focusing on the posterior जो posterior shoulder है. Okay, in the posterior shoulder we are focusing और उसको हम turn करें first and followed by the anterior but in this we are dealing with the anterior shoulder. Next, again, this is also is related to the shoulder dystocia. The image can be there in your exam and it can be asked. This manner is known as the Gaskin manner. Okay, next. Now, this is very rare manner and but just for the exam view point, you should know this. This manner is known as a Zavanelli. For example, यहाँ पे baby delivered हो गया है, shoulder dystocia का ही case है, but we are pushing back the baby, inside the uterus so as to go for a दिस LSCS सर्जरी के लिए इफ यू आर प्लानिंग ठीक है. सो इसको हम लोग पुश बैक कर रहे हैं बेबी का एंड देन वी कैन प्लान फॉर द LSCS. तो दिस काइंड ऑफ मैनर इज नोन एज अ जावानिनी मैनर. ये इमेज आ सकता है. Okay, again, one more thing I want to tell you. This is known as the cephalic breach, cephalic, external cephalic motion. We are not doing anything internally. हमें externally baby का जो, breach है, हम इसको cephalic turn करना चाह रहे हैं, lies का अच्छा करना चाह रहे हैं, तो we are turning after this kind of manner is very, placental problems हो सकती है, cord entangles हो सकते हैं. So we have to be very careful while dealing with it. Another, this is a normal, which is used as a CCT method, that is known as a control cord traction. So after delivery of the baby, we need to deliver the placenta. So this method is known as a CCT. You should know there are some signs of placental separation signs are there. Placenta separate हो गया है तो आपको कैसे पता चले separated placental sign is there. There will be lengthening. There will be lengthening of cord lengthen up होगा dear. Okay, there will be gush of blood you will gonna see. Gush of blood will be there. तो इससे पता चल placenta and there will be a fundal notching. आपको fundus पे notching दिखेगा. Okay, तो ये जो signs है, this is known as a, this is known as your cystity method. So this was about a small record which I told you. Hope so you have liked this video and you got some knowledge. So don't forget to like my channel and you can comment me in the comment section to make more videos related to what topic and I will be making. So thank you so much, dear.